Hey, welcome to this Coda tip with me, Maria Marquis. Today, we're going to talk about split. So you can split yourself, but you can also use split in your tables and in your formulas to be able to create little chunks out of your big chunks. So here we go. I've got a table. It's got a bunch of names of people. And maybe I realized, oh no, I'm getting the first and last name, but I need those in separate columns. Why? I defy you, stars. You can just use split. It's okay. So what I've done is I've created two columns, one for first name and one for last name, and I'm using split to create them instead of me having to go through and copy paste all the time. So let's look at this formula. We're going to click on our little F, edit formula, and what I'm saying is, hey Coda, look at the name column. Then I want you to split. And we're splitting when we see a blank space. So I just put that in two little quotation marks, little blank space. That's the signal. It's time to make that cut and get them out of here. And then I'm just saying, give me the first part. So the part before the split happened for the first name. Let's look at last name. It's pretty much the same. We're saying, hey Coda, look at the name, then split at that little space, and then take the last part. So this allows you to be able to cut and paste and figure it out and have all of that happen automatically. So now if I wanted to add another person here, I could say Rocky, Moon, and now notice we get the split automatically happening at that space. So every time I add a new name, I'm automatically gonna get the first name and the last name because of split. But don't hurt yourself.